Hello everyone, today I will show you how to stop Wi-Fi from automatically turning on your iPhone iOS 18. And here's how it's done. Swiping down from the top right of the screen brings up the control center, where you can toggle off Wi-Fi. However, tapping the Wi-Fi icon here only disconnects Wi-Fi temporarily and shows a message saying disconnecting nearby until tomorrow, meaning it will automatically reconnect the next day. This feature can be inconvenient if you want Wi-Fi to stay off. To fully disable Wi-Fi, open Settings and select Wi-Fi. It is the second option. Here, you will see the Wi-Fi is still on. Simply toggle it off in this menu, and it won't reconnect automatically the next day. Wi-Fi will remain off until you choose to turn it on manually through settings. And that is everything you need to know about how to stop Wi-Fi from automatically turning on your iPhone iOS 18. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.